Wow, I haven't scoped from your phone in a long time. I love this phone. I will try. I'd like for someone to be able to guess where we are. Let's see if anyone can tell us where in Adventureland Jeff and Mary Ellen are. I'll give you a hint. There are pirates around.
Guess where we are.
Guess, that's not the question of the day, but that's the entrance and preamble. If you can guess where in
Missy,
Adventureland we are.
We didn't contact them, right?
There's a big old clue for you right there. Hey, y'all.
It's like, where's my phone?
I'm using it while mine charges. And we do have a WDWscope question of the day for everyone in just a few minutes once folks join. Yes, we did go to LSU's campus. Who can guess where we are now?
No, I'm sorry I didn't contact you, Missy. It was like...
Really was a family vacation.
It was at 8 in the morning, so... I didn't figure you were...
What's on the menu at Tortuga right now? Not that they're open. We are at the Tortuga Tavern, where they have a jerk smoked brisket sandwich, aropa vieja.
A pirate pear slushy. That sounds so good.
Pirate pear slushy. I hate pear.
Well, what's wrong with you?
I don't like the flavor. I don't like the texture.
Well, you're crazy.
I don't like the shape.
You don't like the shape?
No, I don't like anything.
All right, pirates?
No, I think we'll skip pirates tonight. We've been real pirated out lately. I do like that ride.
Honestly, we did so much stuff tonight. I wasn't expecting
I'm impressed with how much we were able to accomplish.
Look at this stage up here.
Okay. But good evening, everybody. Jeff and Mary Ellen are just walking around Adventureland. We were in the Tortuga Tavern. We're walking towards the Tiki Birds. This is the stage where Jack Sparrow will come out and perform for everybody. Well, you should do that. I'm going to sit on his pirate stage. And it's kind of dark out right now, but you can see here we are at Pirates Courtyard. So this is the Saturday after Thanksgiving here in the United States. It's a very busy day at the parks. It's starting to clear out. And here, for all of you watching, here is your WDWscope question of the day. What holiday would you most want to spend with your family in the Magic Kingdom? What's your answer? If you could bring your whole family.
I really like the 4th of July.
4th of July. Now, It'd be the hottest summer, but man, that would be a fun day to come to Disney World. I'd like to bring them all. Well, I'll tell you, one of my family traditions is we'd go to Easter Sunday, and either before or after church, we'd go to Whispering Canyon for the breakfast.
Usually before church.
Usually before, real early. But that would be tough to come out here to the parks that day. So I'm going to say Christmas Day.
Really?
Now, man, you got a busy day there.
We've been out here on Christmas Day many times.
One of the first times we gained a lot of Periscope followers is we just set up the camera and had a live stream right on Main Street. But let us know in the chat what day you would most want to bring, what holiday you would most want to bring.
Your birthday would count.
Birthdays count. That's the question of the day. Not seeing any responses in the chat. Maybe this is not a very holiday-oriented crowd. It's also kind of late for everybody. Our viewers tend to watch us in the early mornings. Jason, come on. I see you there watching. You've got to have an answer. I bet Wendy who? Wendy woohoo? Does anyone have an answer to the question of the day? There's no wrong answers. It's your own. He's just liking the screen. He's not saying anything. So to reiterate, the question of the day, and then I'll say it for the professor as well. If you could bring your family, he said Thanksgiving. If you could bring your family to Magic Kingdom on any particular holiday, what holiday would you choose?
Thanksgiving's a good one.
Thanksgiving would be a wonderful time.
Because it's all about being with your family. That's
togetherness, unity. How wonderful.
Yeah.
And even though it was busy tonight, it was a good crowd. It was a crowd that knew how to do these parks. They weren't bumping into us. They weren't rude. Halloween.
Yeah, Halloween's a good one.
Wendy woohoo, a long weekend, like a 3-day weekend. Oh, like a 4-day weekend with Thanksgiving, yeah. Professor says it's a good question. I wonder what Galaxy 100 thinks. as our question of the day is, what holiday would you most want to bring? Hey, Thomas, it's your first day in Periscope. This is Jeff and Mary Ellen. We're in Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom, sitting in front of Pirates of the Caribbean, and our question of the day to you is, if you could bring your whole family to Disney World and come to Magic Kingdom, what holiday would you want to bring them on? Christmas, your birthday, Thanksgiving, Flag Day, Arbor Day, you name it.
I said 4th.
Valentine's Day, it's also their birthday.
That is a great answer. I think that's Joanne. That's a great answer.
I'm glad it's Joanne, because I had an ex-girlfriend. That was her birthday. I forgot it one year.
Which one was that?
It don't matter.
It does matter. I know which one it was.
Bama Boy 1, your question of the day. If you could come to Walt Disney World and bring your whole family, what holiday would you choose? You know, there's no one getting in line for Pirates. We should. I wonder what Michael would choose. Maybe sometime around New Year's Day. Michael, if you could bring your whole family and go on a VIP tour at the Magic Kingdom, what holiday would you choose? Easter loves Disney World in the spring. Christmas at Grand Floridian is also wonderful. Jason, you should check out the scope we did earlier. We showed all the Christmas decorations, including the gingerbread house at the Grand Floridian.
Yeah, the 4th. That's what I said.
4th of July is what Mary Ellen said. I said Christmas. Yeah, leap day counts every 4 years, every Olympic years. January.
Whatever happens on leap day doesn't count. So
that's right. And Leap Day Williams will grant a wish for you. But you got to wear your blue and yellow. That's going to be an auspicious day indeed.
Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun.
But yours will be Christmas. Take you on the safari ride sometimes. You know, that's a difficult ride to live stream often, because you're crammed in the seats with other people and you don't want to shove your camera in their faces. But if you can get the front row and on the front left, you might get a really good view. Professor did Thanksgiving once and he had a really good time.
How busy was it?
How busy was it? Because I would have rated this today, the Saturday after American Thanksgiving, maybe an 8 out of 10 in crowd levels. And it died out. It really died out after the fireworks. Let's go to Pirates. Come on. It's a 5-minute wait. So your question of the day, if you could bring your whole family to Disney World's Magic Kingdom on a holiday, what holiday would you choose? Change yours at Christmas. You are the worst pirate I've ever heard of. But you have heard of me. Funky Greens, if you could bring your whole family to Disney World on a holiday, what holiday would you choose? Carol said Christmas. How about National Talk Like a Pirate Day? Arr! No. Mark, if you could bring your family to Magic Kingdom on a holiday, what holiday would you choose? You're going to be here in 2 weeks, Funky Greens. Yeah.
Hey, you got tigers.
Hey, all right. Go Tigers. We're glad you like it.